My dear students, in this question, we are given a circle, and on the circle, there are 4 points A, B, C, and D. All these points are joined together to make a quadrilateral, and the diagonals AC and BD of this cyclic quadrilateral intersect at point E. Further, we are given that angle BAC is equal to 30 degree and angle DBC is equal to 70 degree. And we have to find the angle BCD. Also, we are given that side AB is equal to BC, and we have to find the angle ECD. Let us move on to the solution. As you can see, angle DAC and angle DBC are the angles in the same segment made by chord DC. So, angle DAC and angle DBC will be equal to each other, that is 70 degree, because we are given that angle DBC is equal to 70 degree. Now, you can see that DAC we have found 70 degree, and the angle BAC, which is given as 30 degree, the sum of the two equal to 100 degree makes an angle BAD. So, by observing the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, you can see that angle BAD and angle BCD, they are the opposite angles in the quadrilateral, which is cyclic. So, if BAD angle is of 100 degree, then BCD would be 180 minus 100 degree equal to 80 degree, because the sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. Now we are given that AB is equal to BC, so angles opposite these equal sides, that is angle ACB and angle BAC, both will be equal, which is equal to 30 degree. Now, angle ECD is equal to angle BCD minus angle ACB. Angle BCD has been found equal to 80 degree, and ACB we have just seen it is of 30 degree. So, angle ECD would be equal to 50 degree. Thank you.